What's going on, guys? So you want to open your very own adult day center and you don't know where to start. Well, maybe before we get into it, let's start with licensing. So these are the first 3 steps to learn about licensing. What should you do? Number 1, wait. Like, comment, subscribe. We ain't going on. The show is not gonna go on until you like, comment, subscribe, show a little love, and you hear this shameless plug. So if you haven't already, go to adcpro.com. Join us for our free monthly webinars. Join our private Facebook group, Adult Daycare Pro. And if you're interested in one-on-one coaching, yours truly would be happy to do that. adcpro.com/coach. And if you'd like to own your very own ActivAge, go to activagecare.com/franchise. So now that we got all the housekeeping items out of the way, let's get into it. Top 3 steps, top 3 things that you can do when you're thinking about starting your own adult day center, and how to go about learning what the licensing entails in your state. Number 1, first place I would start if I were you is go contact the local association in your area. Now, there's a 50-50 chance that the association is like well run, has a president, has a board, is up and running and can help you. There's another chance that it may not exist, or it kind of fell apart depending on the state you're in, depending on how popular adult day centers are. So that being said, reach out and contact your local association. Find out who the president is. Where do they hold meetings? Where can you learn about all the information in your state regarding adult day? See if they have a list of members who are a part of the association. Maybe even join the association. But you want to learn, this would be a great place for you to start, especially if you have no idea when it comes to licensing, where to start, right? So your local adult day association. Now, a lot of times it could be Adult Day Services Association, Adult Day Association. It might have the state in there. It might be like I know Florida, we're the Florida Adult Day Services Association, FADSA. The national one is the National Adult Day Services Association. Other ones might be the Texas Adult Day Association. I don't know if it's TADA or what, but TADA. Texas is I don't know what it's called, but look up the association, look for that first. Then you're gonna wanna meet local adult day operators. These might be owners, these might be executive directors or administrators that work in an adult day center on a regular basis or oversee the operation of an adult day center. And you would want to take those people out to lunch, take them out for coffee. The reality of it is half the people you reach out to may never get back to you. The other half may say, hey, we don't want to talk to you and give away all our trade secrets. But you might find a select few that are willing to help and are willing to provide you with some helpful information when it comes to licensing, where to go, who to talk to, some things that they learned, as they were going through this process. So, go make friendships, go build relationships with other adult daycare owners. They're gonna save you a ton of headache, a ton of time, energy, and effort, especially when it's state specific, when it's in regards to adult day licensing. And last but not least, join adcpro.com, okay? We got so much content about starting your very own adult day center, but join adcpro.com and join us for our monthly webinars, because on those monthly webinars, we can sit down and talk through issues that you might be going through and help guide you, point you in the right direction, and get you in touch with the right people. So if you are interested in starting your very own adult day center, make sure you follow these 3 steps, okay? Learn about the licensing in your state. You might find out that there's not a lot of requirements, or you might find out that there's a lot of regulation, and that would at least be a great place to start so you know what you're getting yourself into. Because picking the vision, the size of the building, the capacity, and all that other stuff, that's easy. But you need to know what to expect before you even start envisioning and pursuing your dreams. So that being said, guys, if you'd like to open your very own adult day center, go to adcpro.com. I said it already. I'm gonna try to see how many times can I say it in this video. Otherwise, we will see you on the free monthly webinars. Join our private Facebook group. If you're interested in opening your very own ActivAge, go to activagecare.com/franchise. We'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.